Hey, what's going on, guys? It's MV from Weldtec Designs, and I got the man, the myth, the legend right next to me.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Jay's Casino, Chocolate Man in a van. What's going on, MV?
Pretty good. Chocolate Man in Van, sometimes Chocolate Man in Thailand, depending on the season, right?
Depending where I'm at, baby.
Depending where we're at. So we got Honey, the E-250 van right here that's been around. And what are we getting done right now?
Oh my God, Honey is getting the full glow up package. We're doing everything. We're going up, we're going out, we're getting it all in there. We're doing front bumper, rear bumper, we're doing winches, we're doing swing outs, we're doing a 5.5 Baja grocery getter setup. Oh, and let's not forget the absolutely sweet KO3s, baby. KO3s all the way around and my black Rhino wheels. Oh, she's gonna be sexy. Can't wait. I can't wait.
This thing is going to be amazing. This guy is a traveler. He was traveling even when he was a working man in the Air Force. Air Force veteran right here. Loadmaster for
C-17s all day, baby. C-17A Globemaster 3, you know what's up.
big time.
Hey, built in California.
Yeah, big time, big time.
Yep.
Thank you for your service, my boy.
Hey, appreciate you.
Appreciate you. All right, Air Force veteran. We have a lot of our veteran family coming out here, whether it's the Navy, the Army, the Air Force, the Marine Corps, the Space Force. Probably not the Space Force yet because that's pretty new. There's probably not a lot of veterans or like retired, you know.
Retired, but they're getting there. They're getting there.
They're getting there. It's new, you know. But we do have a lot of our veterans coming in, so we definitely welcome you guys when you come in. This thing's gonna be amazing. This guy, you're traveling, bro. You did a whole series of videos in Thailand, and now you're doing. Well, you already did 100 videos of van life with a stock
100.
van, and 1 million videos on Thailand. So once we get this thing dialed in, what's the next thing for you, man?
Oh, we're going crazy. We're going crazy. We're going to be nonstop on the road for about a year. If I can do it right, it'll be nonstop for a year. We're going up north, and then we're going east. It's going to be wild, and that's why I had to come here to Weldtec Designs and get her glow up, because I've been trying to get it done on stock, and she's been doing okay. She tries. She tried real hard at stock, but we got to pump her up a little bit. Honey is a May. Honey's a good girl, but yeah, we got to definitely pump her up a little bit and get her going. So yeah, Weldtec's going to help me out with that, and then she's going to be ready for real road driving. Let's go.
Absolutely. This is the before. We'll cut right now to the after. And there she is, guys. The full transformation, the full shebang. What do you think?
Oh my God, Becky, look at her butt. That thing is ridiculous. Weldtec Designs, Baja grocery getter. We got front winch bumper. We got you'll see all that in a minute, but it's crazy. It's crazy. I'm completely ecstatic. I'm a little bit too excited. I can't even talk normal right now. It's so crazy. This is so much fun. Whew, I've already drove it. I've only drove it for like 20 feet, and it's night and day. Night and day already.
Yeah, 20 feet, but he put the pedal to the metal, but I was like, bro, this guy just gassed it out of the parking lot here. Guys, check it out. This thing is completely transformed with our Baja grocery getter kit. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful tube winch bumper on the front right here. Designed, manufactured right here in San Diego, California, in the United States of America. We got this amazing Warn winch in here, which is going to also have the Bluetooth remote. Super cool, super sick, getting you out of those situations. We got BF Goodrich tires on this. The KO 3. Because he didn't want the KO ones, you know what I'm saying, or the KOOs, I don't know. But look, beautiful. We got 285 7017 on this. We're running the Rhino wheels. So this is a really nice wheel option if you want to come up a little bit. Not too close, but just like, you know, like a medium kind of distance is cool, because I'll cut to the close-ups for you guys. Rhino wheels are a nice option. Keep in mind, you're going to have to run those additional spacers, but a lot of our customers, especially with these E-Series vans, like what? You saw the Methods, and then you saw the Rhinos, and then you saw
23 years Air Force retired. I wanted military style, baby. Thank you.
yes, Sirski. Baja grocery getter kit, guys. We got our larger coil spring, beautiful Fox shock, extended, beautiful radius arm, designed, built, manufactured right here in the United States, giving additional casters to that vehicle, which helps your vehicle go straight on the highway. Of course, in the front, we got our modified I-beams, which are going to correct your camber, and then our beautiful Fox steering stabilizer that reduces that bump steer that you get out of these E-Series chassis. Take a look, guys. WTD badging. James opted for them. He's repping. Are you repping?
I'm repping all day. Weldtec Design. Come see Jeremy at Mook You Up.
Obvious things in the front, too. Removed the indent kind of black E-250 headlight situation that was going on here. Now we got the beautiful black headlights, blackout headlights. Wonderful. Already had the blackout grill, so don't have to worry about that. James, year, make, model of this one.
2010 E-250 with 67,000 miles original. She's ready. She's a runner, baby.
So really cool because we don't do a lot of E250s or a lot of E150s either. Most of the vans that come through are going to be E350s or E450s because of the RV chassis. In the back, guys, let's go. Let's go. Same thing, beautiful KO3 tire, Rhino wheel, Fox shock, and our beautiful set of progressive leaf springs. Absolutely amazing, giving your ride a good quality. Now you're gonna see that his van sits a little bit higher, and that's because, well, what are we doing next, James? Come on.
Yeah, let's go.
Wasatch.
Hold up. We got to go down to Wasatch Overland and have them throw a topper on, an air conditioner, all kinds of other accessories. So yeah, she's going to be a little bit fatter in the back than she is right now.
A little bit fatter, plus water, generator, additional gear, all that stuff. So we opted for a little more of a heavier duty spring to make sure that his load is going to be accounted for. Let's go to the back, guys, right here. Beautiful rear dual swing bumper right here from Weldtec Designs. Ability to run, your spare tire, full size spare because AAA isn't coming with this big fat boy, you know what I'm saying? Folding table mount. Did you get that audio? You know what I'm saying? And then, of course, the Rome belt box, Molly panels on all three sides. Ample room for a lot of storage in there. Utility box, well, we call it the box utility basket, the bub. That's actually its official designation. This is the bub, guys. The box utility basket, the bub. Put firewood in there, gas, water, whatever you need. What are you going to put in here, James?
Absolutely. It will be wood and a gas can for the generator. Going to be right there.
We're going to be chopping wood. Oh, it's going to be a perfect fit.
It's going to be a perfect fit.
No, we are going to chop wood.
Chop wood.
Chopping wood.
Yeah, we're going to chop it all right.
Beautiful.
Pull it out, unroll it.
Beautiful. Okay, well, you seen it. That was the fast kind of preview. This is the 2010, right? E250. Beautiful, beautiful van. This is the 5.4 liter, right?
5.4.
So, great van. Now, one thing I will mention is that James, before he came to us, ran with an aux locker already. Tell me about that situation.
Yeah, so we went ahead and switched up the gears and threw a locker in it. We got the aux locker out of, I think they're out of Alabama. Whatever, it doesn't matter where they're from. Absolutely excellent. Switch, perfect, awesome. And 410 gears to handle these 33s.
Real question is, how does it drive? We're going to go drive right now.
Buckle up.